Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. In this video, we'll delve into the essential steps for addressing warranty issues with the Dell Alienware P111F. We will equip you with the knowledge to diagnose common problems effectively. Let's get started on ensuring your device functions flawlessly. First, gather the necessary tools you'll need for this process. 1. A Phillips head screwdriver, specifically size number 0 and number 1 for the screws on the device. 2. A flathead screwdriver for prying open the casing. 3. An anti-static wrist strap to prevent any static damage to components. 4. Compressed air canister for cleaning dust and debris. 5. Thermal paste if you're planning to reseat any components. Now that you have your tools ready, let's move on to the first step. Begin by powering down your Alienware P111F and unplugging it from any power source. This is crucial for your safety and the integrity of the device. Next, locate the screws on the back panel of your laptop. Using the Phillips head screwdriver, carefully remove the screws and set them aside in a safe place. Make sure to note the different sizes and positions to avoid confusion during reassembly. Once you've removed the screws, gently use the flathead screwdriver to pry open the back panel. Take your time with this step to prevent any damage to the casing. If you encounter resistance, double-check for any remaining screws. With the back panel removed, you now have access to the internal components. This is a perfect opportunity to clean out any dust using the compressed air. Focus on the fans and heatsinks, as overheating can lead to performance issues. Remember, keeping your device clean is a key aspect of maintaining warranty coverage. Next, if you are experiencing issues related to overheating or system crashes, it might be necessary to reapply thermal paste on the CPU and GPU. Carefully remove the heatsinks, clean off the old thermal paste with isopropyl alcohol, and apply a new layer of thermal paste before reattaching the heatsinks. If you're unsure about performing these steps or if you don't have the necessary tools, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our services are designed to take the hassle out of repairs. Additionally, we provide pickup and delivery at your home, ensuring that you won't have to make any calls or travel to get your device serviced. After cleaning and addressing any thermal issues, it's time to reassemble your laptop. Carefully place the back panel in position, and secure it with the screws you previously removed. Double-check that all screws are tight, but be cautious not to over-tighten, as this can cause damage. Finally, power up your Dell Alienware P111F and monitor its performance. If you find that issues persist, don't hesitate to reach out for further assistance. We provide a detailed quote before repair, ensuring transparency in all our services. Remember, keeping your device in top shape is our priority, and we're here to help you with any warranty-related concerns you may have. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.